What's up everyone, it's the Nomad Brad, and in this video I'm going to give you my review of the Legendary Marketer 15-day challenge. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notification icon. Legendary Marketer, I've kind of heard about it for the last couple years or something, but it didn't really seem like something I was interested in, and until a couple more, I guess, reputable affiliates that I pay attention to started to talk about it. And so I got intrigued and I checked it out. I don't really know too much about their history. I've heard that they used to be kind of like more MLM-y or something. And that's mostly why I kind of avoided it. But I decided to check it out. Specifically, signed up for their 15-day challenge, and I want to talk to you about my experience. I just completed it today, actually. Today was my 15th day. So I've been through the whole thing. I watched every single piece of content in the challenge. And so I just want to share my thoughts and see if it might be something you'd be interested in. So basically, Legendary Marketer is teaching people how to do marketing. They definitely talk about affiliate marketing a lot, but what I discovered, and I was kind of surprised to find, what I expected was to kind of come in and just be like, all right, here's how you promote our product, here's how you promote our product, here's how you promote our product. I've seen other companies do this, and that's what I expected, and it kind of makes sense, you know. But actually, I was pretty surprised to find that they really focus on like the core fundamentals of marketing. While obviously those are true for affiliate marketing too, you could easily take the exact same things that they talk about in this challenge to simply go out and start a business in any industry, any niche, etc. They talk about things like sales funnels, different types of funnels, the value ladder, a lot of cool stuff that overlaps with. I'm actually taking the One Funnel Away challenge right now too from Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels, and it definitely overlapped. It was like perfect timing because they coincide and they're teaching the same stuff because it's the exact same thing that always works. It's the principles, it's the foundations of all marketing. So and they talk about sales as well. So this is basically it. You know, every day they have different assignments. They have different quizzes and different kind of like inspirational videos from some of their members. Like obviously they're definitely talking about their company a lot, which I understand, you know, like they want you to be interested in their company. They want you to, you know, eventually hopefully promote their products if you want. But I think they have kind of toned down the whole go promote our product angle, just like, you know, ClickFunnels has kind of done as well. I think it's just a stage of maturity for internet marketing companies. But so they instead teach you the fundamental principles of marketing. So here you can see the number one secret to building a high ticket, high profit business online. It's an hour of training. It's got lots of different kind of motivational things included as well. Some templates. The top high ticket business models online. So it teaches you, I mean, those are the four core business models that they talk about are affiliate marketing, digital products, coaching, and events, which those basically are the business models that work. So they teach you about them, how to get started, how to understand them. Let's build a business in 30 minutes. This was my favorite one. They teach you, well, how to build a business in under 30 minutes. And they give you a funnel that you can use, that you can model. They explain how the funnel works. You can download it into your account if you have a ClickFunnels account. They explain how the funnel works, exactly how to use it, and basically just teach you good marketing. It's awesome. And then they go into other things like the mindset of wealth and money. Have a couple book recommendations, how to master the inner game of wealth. That one was really cool. And by the way, this guy, Dave, I'd never really heard of him before, but he's now at this point, I think he's in his mid 30s or something, and he's made like $250 million online or something. And he tells a story of, basically being broke, being a construction worker, and trying all these different online businesses or just businesses in general, and struggling and finally breaking through and getting success. And now he's been able to go back and buy a house for his dad. It's really cool stories. And not only is it a cool story on its own, but it's also a good lesson in marketing, because his story is compelling. It's selling this business and his brand. So I was definitely taking notes on just how he told his story and how he crafted the story and stuff like that. There's a lot to learn here in watching what he does and what this company does, because they've obviously optimized the process into what is essential. Now, something really interesting, which at first was kind of off-putting to me, but then I actually really liked it, is they make you contact your business advisor. So they actually make you call your business advisor by one of these days. They actually have you get in contact with basically a coach. And I at first when I saw that, I was like, well, I'm done with the challenge. I'm good. But then it's one of those moments in my life where I realized, I remember this moment maybe a year and a half ago or something, when I was watching a video from Chad Bartlett, who's an awesome affiliate marketer and marketing teacher. And I went through this funnel. He'd set it up for free, and then he was like, if you want my training course to learn how to do this, then you can sign up for Builderall through me. And I was like, oh man, I don't want to sign up. I don't know what this Builderall thing is, whatever. I really want the course, but I'm not gonna, give you money or whatever. It was so weird. It was well, it seems weird to me now, but at the time I was like, I don't want to, it felt weird to me that I would give him money, even though he'd provide all this incredible value. I wanted to just buy the course or something, but he wanted me to sign up under him. That was the thing. It was if you sign up under him. And so I closed the page and I went away, and then I thought about it for a while, and I realized, wait a second, I want to be an affiliate marketer. I want to have people sign up for things under my link, through my link, right? Then why am I resisting signing up through someone else's link? So I realized it was a mental block that I had to selling, right? So I got over that, and I signed up through Chad's link, and it's made me a lot of money. I've learned a lot from him. Gotten to meet him once, and he was really cool. Anyways, I'm just so glad that I got over that, right? The whole feeling of not wanting to sign up through someone's link. And since then, now whenever I recognize something that in myself, I try to fix it, right? And this is another one of those moments. I got to that point where they're like, all right, now you need to contact your business advisor. And I was like, oh no, I don't want to do that. They're probably just going to sell me. And then I realized, wait a second, I'm in sales, I'm in marketing. I should first off be excited that they're trying to sell me. I never have to buy anything if I don't want to. And number two, I should give them a shot. Maybe this is going to help me. Maybe it would help me to talk to somebody who's part of a, many $million business and talks to affiliate marketers and marketers every single day. Maybe there's something to learn from that guy. So anyways, I got on the call with the business coach, and he was awesome. He was really attentive to who I was and my business and my goals, and didn't offer to sell me anything, just helped give me the next steps for what he thought was best for me, to go ahead through the challenge and next steps as an affiliate. So it was a really cool moment, because I realized that was another mental hurdle I had to get over, which is resisting, actually making contact with people. Grant Cardone says sales is a contact sport. So that's something interesting about their challenge, is that they do get you in touch with a coach that can actually help you. He's reached out several times. He's open through email. He's given me detailed responses to my questions. So that's really cool. I really like that. And for the very minimal investment to join the challenge, it's kind of awesome that he's doing that. So in the end, I I would say that I really like this challenge. I think it's a great place for beginners to start to understand the concepts of marketing and affiliate marketing. And if you're intermediate to advanced, I think that what's most interesting about the challenge is that it is a gateway to being able to apply to promote this product as an affiliate, right? And that's where I got really excited, because their affiliate program is pretty amazing. Now, that's kind of their history. That's what they're really, really good at, but they are basically making sure that everybody who applies to be an affiliate at least goes through the training of learning how marketing works the right way and learning the fundamentals of marketing and money and all this stuff. So it's really, really cool. So they're making sure that their affiliates are, action takers. They've at least called a coach and taken action that way. So their affiliate program is what I'm super excited about. And so if you're anywhere from beginner to advanced in affiliate marketing, then this is definitely something you'll want to check out and apply for. They give you done-for-you funnels to promote their products. They have a really cool rank system for as you make more sales, you go up in the ranks, and you can continue to talk to your coaches and stuff as you go. So they'll give you ideas on how to promote the products, etc. So the challenge itself is really good. I would say really, really good for beginners. If you're intermediate to advanced, some of it's going to be kind of sound basic, but it's always good to refresh, and to hear this guy's specific perspective. He's obviously very experienced and very successful. So, his advice is worth more than the average person in a Facebook group or whatever, right? And so the challenge is really good for that. It's really good to see, how a successful affiliate marketing business is set up, how they, interact with their potential customers and stuff like that. So if you're a beginner, great place to start. If you're intermediate to advanced, good review, and then really awesome affiliate program to apply for. One of the reasons that it's awesome is some of their products are thousands of dollars, and if you get approved at all, you don't have to invest any money to get approved. And you can start promoting their products. If you do get approved, you can promote their products, and you will make a commission on all of the products. But if you end up upgrading to their pro affiliate account, which is $30 a month, then you can get a few cool things actually. But one of them is just increased commissions. So you'll go from 10 to 30% commissions to 40 to 60%, I think, which is a significant increase in commissions. And some of their products are thousands of dollars. They do events and masterminds and stuff like that. And they have a full-time sales team. So if you sign people up through your affiliate link, you don't really have to do much of the selling. They're going to, contact those people. They're going to call them. They're going to get them, onto those coaching calls, etc. So they're going to do the selling, which is really awesome as an affiliate. So the potential there is for really high ticket affiliate commissions. You can make, thousands of dollars sometimes for some of the commissions. So as an affiliate marketer, really excited about this program. I think the 15-day challenge is a great place to start. It's really cheap to get started. And I also think it's a great affiliate program. So what do you think? Do you have any experience with the company, with the program? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions with my experience so far, if I go through any of their other programs, they have lots of products, marketing training stuff, traffic training. Their Marketers Club is a monthly program that has lots of training from expert marketers and affiliate marketers and stuff like that. They've got products and events and masterminds and coaching and all this cool stuff that you can buy and just become a better marketer. But number two is you can promote them as an affiliate and make really big commissions. So I would highly recommend checking it out. I will put a affiliate link below this video if you want to sign up to the 15-day challenge through my link. That would be awesome. I would appreciate that. And yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.